Good morning, Boone. All right, here's your 539. Sitting on old blue. Testing and adjustment went well. No leaks. Let's look down inside. Nice and dry. Looking really good. All right, let's fire it up. Yes, sir. Just like downtown, only without all the tall buildings. Down inside. Yes, sir. Nice and neat, clean and dry. Everything's doing fine. All right, let's look at some numbers. Idle RPM is right there at about the 650, 660. Looking good. Fuel pressure at just about 2.75. Vacuum, a little flutter at 23, but other than that, looking really good. And by the way, that flutter is probably my valves. And the dwell there is at 42 and change. So we're good. Let's go ahead and pull her through a few times. All right. Looking pretty good there. Looking pretty good. All right. Well, there you go, sir. Thank you.